Hi guys, it's me again. Just wanted to give you a tour of our junior suite and full suite here at the Grand Palladium Lady Hamilton here in Montego Bay, Jamaica. So let's take a tour. I want to let you guys know that these are also joining rooms, so kind of similar to the rooms that we had last year at Iberostar. Let's take a look. So you're going to come in, here's your main door. And then here's your living room in the full bed king suite. So you've got a TV out here. You're gonna have your mini bar in here. I don't need to go through. So you have lots of seating. This is actually a pull-out couch, which is nice. More seating here. And then off the front living room, you actually have a nice balcony that allows you to look out into the adults only beach right here. Over here is where they do weddings, which they are having one this evening. And then over there is the Sunset Cove, which I've taken a nice video of. So nice big balcony out here, two big loungers in case you wanted to spend some time out here, which is nice. Back inside, again, the pull-out couch. So here is your closet space, quite a bit of closet space, lots of hangers, and you have your safe over here, just like a standard room. Single sink bathroom, massive tub, standard toilet, standard shower, does have a rainfall shower. Will say this glass makes a noise when you close it, so it definitely can startle you. And then coming in here is the master bedroom. So you've got your king size bed. Let's get some lights on. Another TV in here. Obviously on the spot to put your clothes and your suitcases. So again, king size bed, and off that room, you actually have another balcony. This balcony looks at, again, the adults only section of the beach, the wedding ceremony space. This is considered a garden view out here. So depending on what you're looking for. So back in here, so again, this is the king suite attached to the junior suite. So kind of like the old school rooms, this is where the connection is. So this is your hallway. Let's get some lights on here. Hallway. Okay, so same standard closet, standard safe, same bathroom as the room next door, single sink, massive soaker tub, toilet and rain shower, which is good. Then over here we have one of the queen size beds, second queen size bed, as well. Nice TV, some more sitting area, and another pull-out couch. So really, there's tons of space and room. And then out here is your other balcony. Again, another garden view, but depending how much time you spend in your room, like you can see the ocean over there. So it's really not that bad. A nice sitting area. So 3 balconies really with the double room, which is good. So once again, there's a pull-out couch depending on how many kids. You've got some extra seating area, double beds, mini bar down here, TV, and then over to the connecting room. So hopefully this gives you an idea, depending how many people you're traveling with, of the space that you might need. Again, that's a pull-out couch accommodating another 2 people. So once again, thanks for watching. If you have any questions regarding the room here or the amenities or any of the room service, please leave a comment, thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks, guys.